This lecture is for class 10. Uh, in last video, a little bit concept was given regarding chemical bonding. So actually, there is no such type of chapter in class 10. But concept of chemical bonding is very important for class 10 to understand other part of the syllabus. That's why I'm trying to explain chemical bonding and periodic table. So regarding chemical bonding, almost concept regarding ionic bonding and covalent bonding has been given. Again, I would like to repeat that ionic bonding is always formed between metals and non-metals. Electron are transferred from metal to non-metal. Metal become cation and non-metal become anion, and a strong electrostatic force is there. But covalent bond is formed between non-metals by sharing of electron, and in every covalent bond there are 2 electrons. So details concept was given in last video. Now I am going to start about periodic table. So first of all, you have to know what is the reason behind periodic classification of element. So you already know that till date 118 atom has been discovered. So the whole universe is made by this atom. So we must understand the properties of atoms or element. So scientists show that if atoms are individually studied, then it will take long time. Means every atom has lots of properties. So that's why scientists try to arrange them based on their similar properties, based on their similar characteristics. So first classification was tried by a scientist named Dobereiner. So that is called Dobereiner triads. Dobereiner triads. So Dobereiner, what he did, Dobereiner select 3 elements increasing order of what? Atomic mass. Remember, I already told you that to identify the atom we have 2 values. One is atomic mass, another is atomic number. But remember, atomic number is unique or fixed. Means the atomic number of carbon is 6. It's always 6. और ये 6 किसी और का नहीं हो सकता है. But atomic mass 2 एटम का कभी-कभी सेम हो भी सकता है. Atomic mass is not a unique value. But उस टाइम साइंटिस्ट को ये बात को हो सकता है पता नहीं था. So जो 3 periodic table है, but टेबल नहीं है. 3 classification जो था. The first classification is Dobereiner triad, second one is Neudel octave, third one is Mendeleev. These all 3 were based on what? Atomic mass. Remember, only modern periodic table is based on atomic number. Very important. So Dobereiner select 3 element increasing order of atomic mass, and he showed that the average atomic mass of first and third. Consider it is first. This is second. This is third. The average atomic mass of first and third, take average 39 plus 7 is equal to 46 divided by 2. So it will be what? 23. So if average atomic mass of first and third is equal to middle one, then they have similar property. So later on it is seen that they belong from the same group, they have same property. But now this regularities or this pattern are not valid for all element. So next, Newland tried to give this law of octave, and Newland what he did, arrange the element increasing order of atomic mass, and seen that first element having similar property with each element. Seen that first element having similar property with each element. Again I repeat, Newland arranged the element increasing order of atomic mass and seen that first element having similar property with eighth element. So if it is considered as first, lithium is considered as first, then don't count this one. Count from beryllium. Beryllium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sodium will be the eighth. So see the lithium having same property with sodium. Later on it is seen that in periodic modern periodic table also below the lithium the element is what? Sodium. Means lithium and sodium would be belong from same group. Means same group is what? Outermost cell electron is same. So property will be same. They are called alkali metal. And if it is considered first beryllium, then magnesium would be the eighth. So obviously beryllium having same property with what? Magnesium, both having same valency. Valence is 2. Both are metal. If boron is considered first, then aluminium will be the eighth number element. So boron and aluminum having same number of valency, that is 3. This is also not valid for all element. It's valid for up to calcium, up to 20 element. So again scientists try for better classification, and after Newland, Mendeleev tried to make a table that is called Mendeleev periodic table, and Mendeleev also tried to arrange the element in increasing order of what? Atomic mass, but he made a table. Let us draw the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means 8 group are there in Mendeleev periodic table. Number of group is 8, and but number of period is 6. Here I will only draw the up to third period. So in first period 2 element is there, hydrogen and helium. In second one 8 element is there, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. In third period 8 element is there, are there, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. So this is called group. 8 groups are there, and these are called period number. Only third period has been shown, but in Mendeleev periodic table the number of periods are what? 6. Remember one thing, I would like to tell some point here only. Suppose boron, the atomic number of boron is what? 5. In first orbital number of electrons is 2, and in second orbital the number of orbital is what? 3. It means is it 3? The 3 outermost cell electron indicating the group number. Means boron belong from third group. Outermost cell electron indicating the group number, and period number indicating the number of orbitals. The number of orbitals is 2, 1, 2. So period number is what? 2. You can verify taking other element also. Let us consider about nitrogen. The phosphorus. The atomic number is 15. So in first orbital 2 electrons is there. In second orbital 8 electrons is there. In third orbital how many electrons will be there? 5. It means number of outermost cell electrons is 5. It means group number is what? 5. And number of orbital is what? 3. 1, 2, 3. So it means period number 3. I am talking about phosphorus. So with the help of electronic configuration you can find position of element in periodic table. This is important for higher studies also. So this is all about what? Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table based on atomic mass, and it has what? 8 groups and 6 periods. And you also have to know the drawback of Mendeleev periodic table. So first drawback is that it is based on what? Atomic mass. And as we know, atomic mass are not unique. Not unique means 2 atoms may have same number of atomic mass. So there may be clash or conflict at a time of what? Arranging. At a time of arranging. So basic concept has been given. Again I repeat, Dover and Wright. Next one is Mendeleev law of active. Newland law of active, and third one is Mendeleev periodic table. This all classification are based on what? Atomic mass. Next we have to discuss about modern periodic table. Modern periodic table, which is based on atomic number. Atomic number denoted by Z. And this is the advantage of what? Modern periodic table, based on what? Atomic number. But in modern periodic table, the group number is 18. 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And the period number is 7. This first period, similarly, two elements are there, hydrogen and what? Helium. Second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. In third, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. In fourth period, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. One thing, in first orbital the number of electron is 2. The number of electron is 2. It means the number of elements is also 2. Hydrogen and helium. In second orbital the number of electron is 8. So number of elements is also 8. In third also number of electron is 8. The element is also 8. But in fourth orbital the number of electrons is 18. That's why number of element is also 18. That's why the number of group in modern periodic table is what? 18. And the number of period is 7. We have so many elements in this part, but for your syllabus these are not important. You have to only remember up to calcium, that is sufficient for you. But if possible, then try to remember up to what? Krypton. Now we have to discuss little bit more about the groups. For example, first group element except hydrogen are called alkali metal. Alkali metal because they produce base. Already concept of bases was given in acid and base. The group 2 element is called alkali earth metal. Alkali means they produce base. Earth metal means they are found in earth surface freely. And group 3 to 12 element are called transition metal. You will get details in class 12. And group 17 element are called halogen. Halogen means salt producer. They produce salt. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. They are halogen, salt producer. Iodine is also there. And group 18 element are called monoatomic gas or noble gas. Mono means single. They generally not form the bonding नहीं करते because they are stable. They want to live alone. And Now we have to know some properties of modern periodic table. Properties of modern periodic table. First one is atomic size. Atomic size or atomic radius. See, in first period, two elements are there, hydrogen and helium. And I already told you that period number indicating orbital. So in hydrogen also one orbital is there, and helium also one orbital is there. So based on number of orbital, the hydrogen should be, the atomic size of hydrogen should be equal to what? Helium. But now one problem is there. Here one in nucleus, one proton is there. In orbital, one electron is there in case of hydrogen. But in case of helium, two proton are there and two electron are there. So as we know that there is a attraction force between nucleus and outermost cell electron because opposite charge. There also attraction force will be there. But in helium, due to more charge, attraction force is more, little bit more. So attraction होगा तो सिंक हो जाता है. So याद रखना किसी भी पीरियड का ना आगे का एलिमेंट का साइज थोड़ा छोटा होता है. ऑर्बिटल सेम है लेकिन एट्रैक्शन फोर्स थोड़ा ज्यादा होने की वजह से सिंक हो जाता है, छोटा हो जाता है. सो फर्स्ट पीरियड हाइड्रोजन इज लार्जर, हीलियम इज व्हाट? स्मॉलर. Similarly, in case of lithium also, lithium, beryllium up to neon, the number of orbital is 2. So based on number of orbital, they should be same size. They should have same size. But problem is there in neon, charge is more, attraction force is more, so neon is smaller in that period, and what? Lithium is larger. So किसी भी period का first element larger होता है and last element smaller होता है. So going down left to right in a period, in every period left to right atomic size decrease होता है, left to right decrease होता है. And going down the group, नीचे आओगे जैसे हाइड्रोजन से बड़ा होगा लिथियम, लिथियम से बड़ा होगा सोडियम, बिकॉज एक एक ऑर्बिटल बढ़ते आ रहा है. यहाँ पे ऑर्बिटल 1 है, यहाँ पे ऑर्बिटल 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. सो गोइंग डाउन द ग्रुप एटॉमिक साइज विल बी व्हाट? इंक्रीज, एंड लेफ्ट टू राइट एटॉमिक साइज डिक्रीज. रिमेंबर हम लोग के पास और 3-4 प्रॉपर्टी है. आयनेशन एनर्जी है, इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी है, इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिविटी है, मेटेलिक नॉन मेटेलिक प्रॉपर्टी है. सो ये प्रॉपर्टी मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगा बिकॉज वीडियो बड़ा होने से अपलोड करना डिफिकल्ट होता है. लेकिन रिमेंबर जो एटॉमिक साइज वाला मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, ये कॉन्सेप्ट विल एप्लीकेबल इन अदर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल्सो, इन इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, नेगेटिविटी, आयनेशन एनर्जी रिलेटेड है. कि अट्रैक्शन फोर्स ज़्यादा होगा तो इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल, आयनेशन एनर्जी मीन्स व्हाट? द एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू रिमूव वन इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम outermost cell. So attraction force ज़्यादा होगा तो रिमूव करना it will be difficult. So आयनेशन एनर्जी क्या होगा? ज़्यादा होगा. So नियॉन से नोबेल गैस का attraction force बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. That's why वो लोग बॉन्डिंग भी नहीं करते. So lots of concept will be there. So अगर कोई है आप लोगों में जो आगे जाके साइंस पढ़ना चाहते हो, साइंस, so यहाँ पे बेस बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. Because otherwise ना it will difficult to survive in class 11 and 12. मेरा ऑलमोस्ट मैं बीटेक फर्स्ट ईयर से पढ़ा के आ रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत अच्छा सा स्टूडेंट, क्लास 10 में 95-96% पाने वाला स्टूडेंट भी डिप्रेशन में चला जाता है हायर सेकेंडरी में, क्योंकि क्लास 10 में वेरी इजी है मार्क्स लेना. सो मार्क्स का पीछे नहीं भाग के ट्राई टू हैव बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, समझो हर एक चीज़ को, नहीं तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव इन हायर सेकेंडरी सेक्शन. यहाँ पे मार्क्स अगर कम भी आए कोई बात नहीं है, मार्क्स ज़्यादा है तो ड्रीम भी बड़ा बनेगा और जाकर आप डिप्रेशन में चला जाओगे. सो अगर मार्क्स कम भी आए कोई बात नहीं, बट थिंग शुड बी वेरी क्लियर. ओके फाइन.